My channel Chemical Chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss qualitative analysis of organic compounds. The elements present in organic compounds are carbon and hydrogen. In addition to that, they may also contain oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens and phosphorus. Right? So in qualitative analysis, we are going to discuss the detection of carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen are detected by heating the compound with copper oxide. So, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide and hydrogen in water. So the compound is heated with dry cupric oxide in a hard glass tube, and carbon is converted into carbon dioxide and hydrogen into water. So carbon dioxide is detected by turning lime water milky. So water is detected by condensation on the cooler part of the tube or by turning anhydrous copper sulfate blue. This is the detection of carbon and hydrogen. Detection of other elements, so like nitrogen, sulfur, halogens, phosphorus present in organic compound are detected by Lassaigne test. So the elements present in the compound are converted from covalent form into ionic form by fusing compound like sodium metal. Right, so the organic compounds are fused with sodium metal in a fusion tube. This converts non-metallic elements into water soluble ionic form. Like test for nitrogen, in what happened, nitrogen on treatment with it gives sodium cyanide. When sulfur is there, that's converted into sodium sulfide. And halogen is converted into sodium halide. Sodium halide. So in nitrogen, what happened? The sodium fusion extract is boiled with iron sulfate and then acidified with concentrated sulfuric acid. The formation of Prussian blue color confirms the presence of sodium. So Lassaigne extract like cyanide that gives this. This water. This is Prussian blue. Sodium cyanide first reacts with iron sulfate and forms sodium hexacyanide. On heating with concentrated sulfuric acid, some iron react with sodium hexacyanide to produce iron hexacyanide, which is Prussian blue. Right, so this is Prussian blue. So detection of hydrogen is confirmatory on addition of Fe3 ion enhance the blue color. Detection of sulfur. Lead acetate test, in which Lassaigne extract plus lead acetate give black precipitate of sulfur. So in this, the sodium fusion is extract is acidified with acetic acid. Right, that added to it a black precipitate of lead sulfate indicates the presence of sulfur. On treating sodium fusion, this is sodium fusion. Both are present in an organic compound. Sodium thiocyanate is formed. It gives blood red color. Next is a test for halogen. Lassaigne extract is boiled with HNO3, right? So the treatment with HNO3, it removes cyanide and sulfur. So on observation, the sodium extract is acidified with nitric acid and then treated with silver nitrate. A white PPT soluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of chlorine. A yellowish precipitate sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of bromine, and a yellow precipitate insoluble in ammonium hydroxide shows the presence of iodine. This is like this. In observation, when white PPT dissolve in ammonia, pale yellow precipitate AgBr, that is partially soluble in ammonia, yellow precipitate AgI, white PPT dissolve in ammonia, pale yellow precipitate partially soluble in ammonia, and yellow precipitate are insoluble in, they are insoluble. Next, a detection of phosphorus. Compound is fused with sodium peroxide, that is sodium phosphate, on boiling with nitric acid like this. On heating with or boiling with nitric acid and adding ammonium molybdenate, yellow PPT of ammonium phosphomolybdenate confirms the phosphorus, right? Chart: carbon and hydrogen with combustion of CuO, and it gives observation is CO2 turns milky and H2O turns blue, right? So in case of nitrogen, this is like a summary: Lassaigne with FeSO4, Prussian blue color. And next is sulfur, that is lead acetate, that is a black or purple color. Next is halogen, Lassaigne with AgNO3, that give AgCl a white color, AgBr yellow, pale yellow, or AgI yellow. Phosphorus, sodium peroxide fusion with sodium molybdenate, yellow precipitate, and last we are considering oxygen. No direct simple test.